أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We are reaching the 18th day, and in the 18th section of the Quran we find something which is a very simple message of Islam, the simple and the central message of our religion, which has to do with success. What is the meaning of being successful in this life? When you come to in Surah Al-Mu'minun, he's talking about the people who are the believers, the people who are attaining to faith, and they are bringing this in their heart and trying to have a life which is consistent with this faith. What is the very meaning of this? قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ. Successful are those who are praying, and while they are praying they are full of humility, full of this God consciousness, this reverential love towards God. This is where lies the success. This is where you will find the success. Success is not about getting money. It's not about having a social status or being visible within the society. Success is much more about this peaceful state, this intimate state where you come back to your heart and dialoguing with God, communicating with God. You get this sense that your life has a meaning, that you are trying with all your conscience, with all your love to come close to Him while you are praying, but also understanding that you are avoiding all the superficial things in this life. عَنِ اللَّغْوِ مُعْرِضُونَ. You are trying to avoid that. And لِلزَّكَاةِ فَاعِلُونَ, that you pay what you have to pay to the poor people, because this is their rights on your money. These are essential things where everything is changed, the perception is changed, the understanding of life is changed. Success is about yourself, success is about your heart, success is about this intimate state where you feel at peace because you communicate with God, because you serve the poor people, because you avoid the superficial things. Exactly the opposite of following and being completely obsessed with the superficiality of money, the superficiality of fame, the superficiality of being seen and visible in this society where everything inside could be destroyed. That's essential in our understanding of the spiritual life, and this is the real success. So at the end of the day, if you tell yourself or you try to understand for yourself the very meaning of life, you are responding to the question of what is success. And the Quran here is telling us successful are those who are praying, but in a very specific way, full of humility, close to God, understanding the very meaning of life and coming back day in, day out. Exactly what we have to do while we are fasting. This fast is exactly where we are trying to look for the deep and right success in our life. Never forget the meaning of life and coming back to the one who created life for us to come back to Him. Don't forget to tell the people you love that you love them. This is also an essential teaching. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.